June is a month to celebrate the men in our lives, father, brothers, husbands, friends, and grandfathers. Not only do we celebrate Father's Day, but it's also Men's Health Awareness Month, a time for all men to reflect on their health journey and find resources to help them be the best version of themselves. And here to help us know a little bit more about men's health issues and what you need to know is Dr. HaVy Ngo-Hamilton. She is a doctor of pharmacy and a BuzzRx Clinical Consultant. Welcome back to Your Life, Arizona. Great to have you here.
Hi, Susan. It's great to be back here today.
All right, so we talked about it, the men in our lives, they are so important to us, but as they age, there's some health issues that could sneak in, and they need to make health a priority. What do they need to know?
Exactly. So as we age, our body gets so many changes in our body that we are more prone to health problems. For men specifically, once they hit their 40, their testosterone level start to decline. So with that, they are more prone to high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. Do you know that heart disease is killing 1 in 4 men over 50 in the United States?
Wow.
Yes, and with that, checking up with the doctor is very important because men don't go to get their routine checkup. So these things get missed.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're watching, you haven't made your appointment, it's time to do so, or have the women in your life make the appointment for you. So what can men do to protect their health proactively?
So first of all, go make that appointment,
Yes.
go get that annual checkup with your doctors. And on your part, you need to just cut down on fat and sugar in your diet, start to exercise more. If you're smoking, quit smoking, and just cut down on your alcohol consumption. And if you have heart disease, probably your doctor would prescribe you a statin medication to lower your cholesterol level.
Yes, and those medications can get kind of expensive. So what can folks who are watching do if they do have a chronic condition that requires them to use some of these medications?
Yes, so it's so important that if you are prescribed a heart medication like statin, such as atorvastatin, is a very common statin medication. You need to take that medication exactly as prescribed. And so over the past few years, many people have to decide whether to take the medication or to get groceries. And that can have a very serious effect on their health outcome. So for example, if someone take a 30-day supply of atorvastatin 20 milligram, that would cost $128 at Walgreens. But using BuzzRx, that can save them over 90% off the retail price. And so that's $117 of saving.
That's a huge savings.
Yep, that's over 90%.
And we hear BuzzRx all the time. For those who may not be familiar with BuzzRx, what is it and how does it work?
So BuzzRx provide free tools for people to help save money on their medication and even pets medication. We provide free saving cards, coupons, and a free mobile app. BuzzRx is accepted at nearly every pharmacy nationwide, including CVS, Walgreens, and Fry's.
So it sounds like a benefit. It's free.
Exactly.
And it's just an app that you download right on your phone, and people can start saving right away.
Yep, so it's an app that you can download from your phone. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android, you can use it both. You search for your medication, and then you just pick the best price of your medication at a nearby pharmacy, and then you just start saving.
And you said it can also benefit our pets?
Exactly, pet medication as well.
That's huge.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Dr. HaVy. We appreciate you. Great advice. And again, we want you to take advantage of BuzzRx prescription savings by downloading their free app today. And you just heard Dr. HaVy say, all you guys out there, make sure to book an exam with your healthcare provider and take control of your health journey today.